Oh, you know Masquerade Ninja. I don't have my hair, guys. Anyway, yes. Hello, Epic Haley here. We're gonna shoot actually a Mexican assassin scene. We were supposed to do a Masquerade Ninja scene today. However, can't find the hair for it, so just gonna have to wait until I find that. Anyway, this video is gonna be very cool. Hopefully, Masquerade Ninja and Mexican Assassin are really cool by the time I release this behind the scenes. Because this is where, you know, Masquerade Ninja, or no, I can't even get my words right. Mexican Assassin gets his exotic swords. His other exotic sword. So he has now 2 swords instead of 1. And it's not wooden. And these are actually really exotic compared to like they're anime swords, so of course they're exotic but yeah. Masquerade Ninja loves exotic swords, and this is a really good part of the story. Season 1, very comedic. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Hopefully it turns out to be okay though, so. You ready to? No, yeah, of course not. So yeah. He's getting ready, so I'm just gonna, you know, back out of here.
Huh?
John!
I'm not in. If you kill me, I'll kick you from the game.
What the hell are you talking
I will
about?
kick you from the game. What's up?
Hey man, how you doing?
Doritos, don't be a douchebag. I was doing something.
Yo, John.
Hold up. Let me turn on the mic. What's up, man?
Well, how you doing, dude?
I'm doing good. Just playing a retardedly stupid game I made up that I regret making up.
Oh, what's that?
Gun game torture.
Huh? I should play sometime. I should play.
Yeah, but you get some down. We could try it out. You're gonna hate it though. You're gonna wish you hadn't played it.
All right, yeah. I'll
for torture for everything. And I also made up extreme gun game torture, which you really don't want to play. And I just now realized while playing this gun game torture, I think of another one that's super gun game torture, super extreme gun game torture like that, which is even worse than extreme gun game torture.
All right. Anyway, did you give your parents the numbers to call?
I did. Did you call?
Huh?
I'm talking to my mom. Did you call, Mom?
Oh, hell.
I can't. I'm asking you right now because she's asking me about it. She has not called yet.
All right. It's all good then.
But she will. Right after she's done here.
Wow, dude, why you talk to your parents like that, dude? Like what?
I'm talking to you. I'm just saying. She will.
All right. Oh shit. Look at that. That's how you kill a dog. Why would you kill a dog like that? Oh my god. Oh no, the dog doesn't understand. Oh no, the dog's yawning. It's begging for its life. It's not even wagging its tail. How could he? How could the Mexican assassin do this? It's because he is the one, the only Mexican assassin. Oh no, he's coming over here. Hey, what's up, Mexican assassin? How you doing, man? I saw you beating up the dog. Any truth in that?
She's fine.
What dog ever did to you? What did the dog ever do to you?
No. Yeah. I'm gonna use this broken stick. Oh. Don't break, damn. We use this broken stick right here.
Yeah.
I wanna walk in from here, like spring ready, you know, foreshadowing our fight. Possibly.
Dude, I love this tree. I can't get over it. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know. You want it to be comedy, so you gotta come up with stuff. I can't come up with comedy.
Why? I mean, comedy is like basically it makes the world go around, dude. Like what? If you have no comedy in your life, then what are you?
I can't come up with funny things. That's your job.
I think everyone's in. Aries, you want to go inside, Aries, huh? No, you want to stay over here?
Come on.
No, he's fine. Look, he's fine. He's just sitting down. No, leave him alone. He's just sitting down. Oh. Here, you take the camera. Here, I'm gonna get my shoes on. See if I can find my wig, alright? Come me right here. Pointing right at you. Is it recording or no? It doesn't want to even open. Alright, there you go. What are you doing on my screen for, man? Back up. It's hot. Wearing all this stuff inside, it's hot. Dina! Come here, Dina. Go, go, go. Go, Aries, go. Come, baby. Go. Go get her, Aries. Come on, Dina. Go get her, Aries. Go get her. Go get her. Go after her. No? What are you looking at? Where are you? Huh? Paw? Come on. Give me paw, Aries. Aries. Give me paw, Aries. Paw. Good boy, good boy. Alright, what's up? So Dina, freaking Dina killed a bird. Again, another bird. Actually, I think that's what we were trying. Is that what we were trying to get a picture of the last time? Or no, was it a bird last time? No, not a picture, but a video of. And when I first got the camera, but then we didn't have that. What was that? Was on the ground down there? That's a rabbit. Oh. Well, then it got to the bird. Freaking
Otherwise, she kept jumping up in that tree.
Yeah. I'm like, Tina, I'm looking all over for Tina. You know, Aries is still by that door. I walk out, he's just sitting by the door. I'm running around here. I'm like, Tina, where are you? I come back here. I'm like, where's Tina at? I look here. Damn. Kill a damn bird. Good job. Good job.
Still moving.
Yeah. Sally?
Let me throw some at it.
Why? Would you do that? Man.
Oh, did it die?
No. Still breathing.
Was she chewing on it, clawing on it?
I don't know. She had a mouth near it. I don't know. I don't know if these things have diseases, but
Alright, sniffing it.
things that milk. They done killed it, man. They done killed it.
That's always fun to know that your dogs can kill birds. Now, if you broke branches off of here, where was this bird sitting at?
I don't know.
I mean, I would imagine it'd be at the top of a tree. Dude, look at this. There's branches all over the place. Pick it up.
I'm not touching it.
Why?
Because I'm not going to touch it.
You can just wash your hands.
You pick it up then.
No. Called me out here for that.
Poor bird. Alright, I'm done. Hey, Masquerade Ninja! So I don't have to be dressed up like this anymore?
Your character sucks.